This is a problem from JEE Advanced 2024 Paper 1. Let's see how to solve this. This is the expression which is given to us in the problem statement. After multiplying in the brackets we got this. Now rearrange the similar term together. Use these identities to simplify the terms. Now put this simplified expression is equal to y and square both sides and then change in the form of cot x. Substitute the given value of cot x from the problem statement and simplify the expression. Take this square to the right-hand side so it changes to under root, and this the final answer, which is option B. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more mathematics and write JEE Advanced in the comments for more videos.